sun shining on my face, I take you down to my sandy shores, down to Kailua Bay. What a wonderful day, where we watch the children play, building castles in the sand, down to Kailua Bay.
Good morning, trikers, bikers, hikers, and sight seekers. I got up bright and early on this Sunday morning around 5 o'clock, had my protein smoothie, loaded the trike and camera gear into the truck, and left around 6 a.m. We headed out for today's adventure 50 miles away on Oahu's South Shore. Today we'll visit Ala Moana Park, Magic Island, the Ala Wai Boat Harbor, and I will introduce you to Waikiki. You guys have heard of Waikiki, right? A little sandy beach, a few hotels, a bunch of concrete. Okay, just checking. I wanted to get on the road early so we could fly the drone along the Ala Moana Bike Path, which will get very busy in a few hours. It's mostly locals who live in Honolulu that get up early for their morning swim, jog, surf session, v-ball, canoeing, fishing, tai chi, or just soaking up the island vibe. So no tai chi while we're riding though. Otherwise, enjoy.
What a wonderful day, with the sun shining on my face, I take you down to my sandy shores, down to Kailua Bay. What a wonderful day, where we watch the children play, building castles in the sand, down to Kailua Bay. We see the sails in the wind, blue Hawaiian skies. I remember your first time, I saw the sparkle in your eyes. What a wonderful day, sipping mango tea in the shade. I let the ocean touch my toes, down in Kailua Bay. Shadoop doobie doobie wah, 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 shadoop doobie.
Our bike path turns into Magic Island Beach Park. Magic Island is a small man-made peninsula sitting between Ala Moana Beach Park and the Ala Wai Yacht Harbor. It was created in 1964 as the site of a resort complex, but fortunately was converted into a park. The park on Magic Island is a great spot where people gather for picnics, frisbee, socializing, occasional festival and drama performances. Plus they got great bike paths throughout.
Shadoop doobie doobie wah, shadoop doobie doobie wah. We see the sails in the wind, blue Hawaiian skies. I remember your first time, I saw the sparkle in your eyes. What a wonderful day, what more can a poor boy say? I take you down to my hometown, down to Kailua Bay. What a wonderful day, what a wonderful, wonderful day. What a wonderful, wonderful day. What a wonderful, wonderful day. Here in Hawaii, what a wonderful, wonderful day. What a wonderful, wonderful day. What a wonderful, wonderful day. Here in Hawaii. coast to an uncharted bay. We were going to be just good friends, but love came along and our lives began. We were going to have a half a dozen kids, name them after planets, but we never did. The two that we had turned out pretty good, raised them with love, just like we should. So listen now, baby, all we gotta do, set those sails for the wide ocean blue. Set sail for the sunset, do you wanna ride? Set sail for the sunset, do you wanna ride? Garden out back, tomatoes on the vine. Life was blue, it was a different time. Curtains on the bus, pukas in the shell. We rode the surf on a warm summer swell. We listened to the birds.
The Ala Wai Yacht Harbor houses mostly personal boats, as known as the gateway to Waikiki. Surfers launch from the peninsula to a scattering of surf spots known for some of the best waves on the South Shore. Those that are interested in tube riding, make sure you get up early because the crowds can be intense.
We listen to the birds, we listen to the stones, the words of Dylan and a few of my own. We took to the street, climbed a mountain or two. By the time we were done, oh man, what a view. So listen now, baby, all you gotta do, set those sails for the wide ocean blue. Set sail for the sunset, do you wanna ride? Set sail for the sunset, do you wanna ride? I were kids once, a long time ago. A lot of history, got a lot to show. But it's all about love, those nights and days, how we sailed to the sun and that uncharted bay. Sails for the wide ocean blue. Set sail for the sunset, do you wanna ride? Set sail for the sunset, do you wanna ride? Oh baby, let's ride.
As we gaze at Diamond Head and scan across the shores of Waikiki, we see the Hilton Hawaiian Lagoon and the colorful Hilton Hawaiian Hotel, a landmark of the islands.
Set sail for the sunset.
Also adjacent to the Ala Wai Harbor is the Ilikai Hotel, home of Steve McGarrett and the headquarters for Hawaii 5-0. I stopped by today to see if 5-0 needed my services for anything. Yeah, it's Bob Rogers, just Steve McGarrett. Jack Lord. You don't know Hawaii 5-0? Well, okay. Thanks for all your help. Aloha.
Well, no, I guess the guy's too young. Oh well.
Set sail for the for the sunset. Set sail for the sunset. Set sail for the sunset. Set sail for the sunset. Do you wanna sail?
Well, that's the Hilton on the right and the Halikoa Hotel on the left. In 1970, as I mentioned before, I joined the Army Reserves. My draft number was low enough that I figured I better do something fast. I joined the local Army Reserve unit, the famed 100 Battalion 442 Regiment, the most decorated regiment in U.S. history due to their brave action in World War II. The regiment was predominantly made up of local and mainland Japanese Americans. Well, that was World War II. This was 1970, a different time. On this very spot, the Army's Fort DeRussy stood here with a 2-story building and a motor pool. No hotels back then, a clear view of the ocean. After my basic and advanced training, I was sent back home to wait to be called up to Vietnam. Fortunately, that didn't happen, as by '72 the war was winding down. So every month for 6 years, I'd spend the weekend cleaning my weapon while looking out the window and watching the bikinis walk by and the surf roll in. Some say, "Boy, Bob, you sure were lucky to be stationed right there in Waikiki Beach." Well, that might be true. Remember, it was 1970, a very fragile time. Anyway, long after I was there, the military built the Halikoa Hotel for military personnel. They put up an Army museum and renamed the beach Fort DeRussy Beach.
Down to my hometown, down to Kailua Bay. What a wonderful day. What a wonderful, wonderful day. What a wonderful day. Wonderful day. What a wonderful, wonderful day. Here in Hawaii. What a wonderful.
So here we are today, ladies and gentlemen. We are now actually riding a recumbent trike on the shores of Waikiki Beach. This has never been done before. This is a first for mankind. My mom would be so proud. Okay, next week we're headed right down Kalakaua Avenue, the heart of Waikiki. Make sure you bring your sunglasses, reef-friendly lotion, a hat, and your favorite string bikini, or as my wife calls it, dental floss swimwear. Thanks for riding with us today. Be safe, healthy, and don't forget to spread aloha wherever you may go. Aloha.